Hi students, in this video you will continue learning Unit 7, Vietnam and International Organizations, Lesson 8, Looking Back and Project. So let's start with the first part of the lesson, pronunciation. In this activity, you will listen and mark the primary stress in the words in bold, then practice saying the sentences. Now let's listen.
Track 57.
Unit 7, Vietnam and International Organizations.
Page 84. Looking back.
Pronunciation.
Listen and mark the primary stress in the words in bold. Then practice saying the sentences.
1,
WWF is the world's largest non-profit environmental organization.
2,
Vietnam has become a more active participant in the international community.
3,
Japan is the biggest financial provider to this economic organization.
4,
UNICEF helps disadvantaged teenagers continue their education.
5,
There are more educational opportunities for Vietnamese students now.
Now listen again and check the answer.
Track 57.
Unit 7, Vietnam and International Organizations.
Page 84. Looking back.
Pronunciation.
Listen and mark the primary stress in the words in bold. Then practice saying the sentences.
1,
WWF is the world's largest non-profit environmental organization.
2,
Vietnam has become a more active participant in the international community.
3,
Japan is the biggest financial provider to this economic organization.
4,
UNICEF helps disadvantaged teenagers continue their education.
5,
There are more educational opportunities for Vietnamese students now.
Now let's continue the next part, that is vocabulary. Now in this activity, you will complete the text with the correct forms of the verbs in the box. Now you look at the verbs. Aim, nhằm mục đích. Enter, bước vào. Promote, thúc đẩy. Commit, cam kết. And welcome, chào đón. There are 5 questions and you have 5 minutes to do the task. Now stop the video and find out the answer. Okay, the time is over. Let's check the answer. Number 1, the answer is enter. Chúng ta có cụm từ Vietnam can enter into relation with other country, là Việt Nam tạo lập các mối quan hệ với các quốc gia khác, người ta bước vào, tham gia vào các mối quan hệ với những quốc gia khác. Number 2, the answer is commit. Đất nước chúng ta cam kết hợp tác chặt chẽ với các tổ chức này để đạt được mục tiêu. Number 3, the answer is aims. Với mục tiêu là phát triển kinh tế. And number 4, the answer is welcome. Việt Nam luôn chào đón các nhà đầu tư nước ngoài. Welcomes foreign investor. Chào đón các nhà đầu tư nước ngoài. And number 5, the answer is promote. Ở đây có cụm từ promote Economic growth là thúc đẩy sự phát triển kinh tế, sự tăng trưởng kinh tế. For the next part of the lesson, you will review the grammar point. Now you look at the activity, grammar. In this activity, you have to write another sentence using the words in brackets. You have to make sure it has the same meaning as the previous one. There are four questions and you have 4 minutes to do this. Now stop the video and do the task. The time is over. Let's check the answer. Number 1. Vietnam wasn't as attractive to foreign tourists as it is nowadays. Việt Nam thì không có hấp dẫn đối với du khách nước ngoài như là nó ngày nay. Viết lại bằng cụm từ more attractive, hấp dẫn hơn. The answer is Vietnam is more attractive to foreign tourists nowadays than it were in the past. Ngày nay thì Việt Nam hấp dẫn du khách nước ngoài hơn nó ngày xưa. Number 2, the United Nations is the largest international organization. Liên Hiệp Quốc là tổ chức quốc tế lớn nhất. Viết lại bằng cụm từ larger, lớn hơn. The answer is no international organization is larger than the United Nations. Không có tổ chức quốc tế nào lớn hơn Liên Hiệp Quốc. Number 3, the international market wasn't as competitive as it is now. Thị trường quốc tế thì không có cạnh tranh như nó ngày nay. Viết lại bằng cụm từ more competitive nghĩa là cạnh tranh hơn. The answer is that the international market now is more competitive than it was in the past. Thị trường quốc tế ngày nay thì cạnh tranh hơn so với ngày xưa. And question number 4. No other country is a bigger financial provider to this organization than Japan. Không có quốc gia nào là cái nguồn cung cấp tài chính cho tổ chức này lớn hơn Nhật Bản. Viết lại bằng cấu trúc the biggest nghĩa là lớn nhất. The answer is Japan is the biggest financial provider to this organization. Vậy thì Nhật Bản sẽ là cái nhà cung cấp tài chính lớn nhất cho tổ chức này. Okay, and this is the last part of the lesson, project. The topic is an international organization. In this part, you will work in groups, do a research on an international organization, and present your findings to the class. Your presentation should include: what is the name of the international organization? When and where was it formed? How many member countries does it have? Is Vietnam a member of this organization? What are the organization's aims? And what are the current activities or current projects of this organization? And the last question is, what has this organization done to help Vietnam? Okay, that's all for the lesson today. At home, you have to finish your workbook exercises and prepare for the next lesson, Unit 8. Goodbye.